We are now exiting our little area. Up there, we were in this little section.
Ooh, yeah.
Morning, guys. I packed everything and we are now getting ready to leave. We are now exiting our little area. Up there, we were in this little section. All the mountains. It's really cool. Even though we have mountains where we live, but we're now just checking out. Ryan, very smart. Most of the cars go at once, and then they all stop and let every person go in any direction. You can even go to how fun.
Something has got to give. Everyone here is ready to go. It's been a hard year with nothing to show from down this road. It's only
I am now eating some soup and reading a book. I do have the very last book to this series, which I'm so happy for. If you saw my Easter vlog, which isn't on this channel. So my brother is playing Roblox, I think it's called, and watching YouTube.
At the same time.
Yeah. It is now time to end the vlog. Goodbye.
You whole lot of crazy. I think you like it too. But let me tell you, babe, I'm so crazy for.
it's fucking shit.